Microsoft just shocked the tech world by acquiring a tiny Israeli AI startup for a whopping $1 billion. What do they see in this little-known company that was worth such a massive bet? Stick around, and I'll give you the full scoop on Microsoft's boldest move yet in the white-hot AI arms race. So who exactly is this mystery startup that Microsoft just paid a fortune for? They're called AI-21 Labs, and they've been quietly working on some groundbreaking tech in the AI space. AI-21 has developed cutting-edge algorithms that can train huge language models with way less data than was previously thought possible. Their techniques allow them to build powerful AI chatbots and virtual assistants much more efficiently. The big breakthrough is their use of synthetic data, essentially fake data points generated by algorithms rather than harvested from the real world. By training on the synthetic dataset, they can create AI models that understand language and respond conversationally, without needing to scrape huge amounts of real-world text chats or web pages. This approach could be a total game changer for making sophisticated AI systems cheaper and easier to build. No more need for enormous data labeling efforts or costly data center resources. With AI-21 tech, even small teams can potentially train world-class language models. Takeaway: Microsoft just bet $1 billion that this tiny Israeli lab has cracked the code on training ultra-efficient AI, a key advantage as the industry races to build ever more powerful chatbots and virtual assistants. Why Microsoft is going all in on AI acquisitions. So why is Microsoft making such a huge splashy acquisition in the AI space right now? It's all about leapfrogging ahead in the cutthroat competition for AI supremacy. Microsoft knows it needs key strategic acquisitions to get an edge against rivals like Google, Amazon, Meta, who are also pouring billions into AI projects. Buying up promising startups is a fast way for Microsoft to acquire new talent, IP, and technology that can turbocharge its in-house AI efforts. In one fell swoop, this acquisition brings Microsoft a team of world-class minds working on novel approaches to AI training, something that could take years to replicate from scratch internally. Microsoft likely also wants to lock up the startup's tech before a rival snaps it up first. With every major tech giant scrambling to build the best AI systems, startups with promising technology are hot commodities commanding sky-high valuations. By moving quickly on this $1 billion deal, Microsoft outmaneuvered its competitors for control of a key asset. Takeaway: in the winner-take-all race to dominate AI, Microsoft is going all in on strategic acquisitions to gain a lead and willing to pay top dollar to talent and tech that can get it there. The geopolitical chess game behind the deal, but beyond just corporate competition, this deal has major implications for the high-stakes geopolitical showdown over AI leadership between the US and China. The fact that Microsoft acquired an Israeli startup is very significant. This isn't just any investment, it's a strategic play by Microsoft to align with US interests in AI. Microsoft just dropped $1 billion on an Israeli startup called Nayor. This is no small sum, and it's not just about buying tech. It's about securing access to the booming Israeli AI ecosystem. You see, Israel punches way above its weight in AI. They've got hundreds of startups working on cutting-edge stuff, and this comes from their deep expertise in data science, cybersecurity, and defense tech. By investing big in an Israeli startup, Microsoft is effectively aligning itself with the US government's push to cultivate non-Chinese sources of key technologies. The US has made securing the AI supply chain a top priority, fearing overdependence on Chinese-made chips, software, or datasets for training critical AI systems. In this light, Microsoft's acquisition can be seen as part of a broader US strategy to fortify its alliances with other democratic tech powers, like Israel, as hedges against China. Expect more big US investments in Israeli and European AI startups going forward. At the same time, China is moving fast to invest in and acquire foreign AI startups itself, including in Israel. Just last month, a consortium of Chinese investors acquired an Israeli startup working on AI chip design for autonomous vehicles. The deal raised eyebrows as it gave the Chinese firms access to key IP. Takeaway: Microsoft's acquisition is just the latest move in a global chess game over who will dominate the future of AI, with US and China angling for strategic footholds in key tech hubs around the world through investments and acquisitions. Does it work? Yes, consistently. Here's what nobody tells you. It's free. You've been doing this wrong, and here's the proof. Most people have no idea this exists. It's not just better, it's significantly better. And if you're hungry for more inside scoops on the US-China Tech Showdown, check out our last video breaking down China's push to win the race for trillion transistor chips. Just tap the thumbnail on the right. As always, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the latest tech news. See you in the next video.